Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to show you just the local and middle term targets for UNISWAP USDT trading pair with my customer Chris. Let's dive in. All right, guys, so like you can see on a weekly time frame, we bounced it first of all from the zone of accumulation where I mark it around here. So we tested. So I posted the video about a UNI around here. So we should drop to 27 blocks. So this block still relevant and being here since first test like April 2022. So yes, people won't believe we will drop to range like $7.18 and $4.30, but we dump it, and even lower. It was a June 2022, we dump it to $3.32. So congrats everybody who accumulated in this range. Next step, guys, usually here the people start believe in like some head and shoulder pattern, and we should go down because people too bearish now. I don't think so it will happen. I think most likely we will see the three drives pattern, something like this one. It's hard to say about August or September, but $20.50 is going to be the next step to liquidate this, guys, and grab that main liquidity. And of course, it's not an end of cycle for a UNI. I think all this zone still relevant. If after that move we will drop again to the $7.18, it will be the perfect entry for that who's still not in position, even in the spot. So congrats if you track with my customer Chris all of that position, because we dump it on the weekly time frame, guys, to test the buy line even lower. So even from the buy line to take profit, you could fix like 116% if you accumulated last time in May 2025. Buy line at this current moment on the weekly time frame, it's a $5.74. So it's like a range for the take profit indicator. Globally also, we didn't see the signal to buy. Last time, just two signals to buy appeared in 2022. Now, still now, no signal to buy yet. Only sell and buy back, buy back. So is it bearish or bullish? It's up to you. For me, I believe the UNI will be over than $32. I'm not sure about all-time high for UNI, and because it's kind of heavy now to push the price so high, but I think the UNISWAP will be regulated without any problems with UNI. And I think, yes, definitely the targets like 26.96, 28.96, 32.73, it's absolutely more than real to see for everybody who not satisfied with that potential gains. I remind you, so last cycle, guys, here's on OKX. We showed the gains like November 2020 to all-time high, 2K 300% gains. If we check a global chart, this one, September listing, of course, no makes sense to count the listing, because they could list at any price, 9,400. Here's was in November. So after listing correction, based on initiation accumulation pump model, we dump it to the best zone to buy and pump it 2,300% gain. That's why compare the gains. So we need to talk about the gains also. So here, the pump to $32 is going to be from the low. Yes, from the low, it will be only 800% gains, like 900, around 900. With a weak candle, it can be like 900%, 33.50. So maybe it's going to be the end of cycle. Who knows? If you believe in new all-time high for UNI, yes, of course, $64 is the next step. For UNI, 1,800% gains. But guys, not all tokens will hit the new all-time high every single cycle. So middle term targets, guys, of course, accumulation, if we will drop again to $7.18, it will be a comfortable price buy back UNI. So that's it. 0.5. 61 is more than comfortable to fix the profit. Now, UNI pump it, pretty good one, and I will be not surprised if we will drop again to test the buy line. Buy line at this current moment, it's a $5.24, but it's on a daily. On 12 time frame, a little bit higher, so it's $5.92. That's why I will be not surprised if we will form something like take profit line 11.91, and after that we will drop here by end of August to test $7.18, or it can be the middle or beginning, sorry, not a middle, beginning of September to form another low. you know, we're still in an uptrend. So this is like order flow, this is liquidity. So yes, that guys can drop like this one, at least hunt the low of beginning of August. This one, $8.69. A lot of people open it along here. So it's like a magnet, you know, to grab that stop losses, grab that liquidity from that order flows. I'm not sure about a take buy line because yes, also here got like liquidity, $5.94. Hard to believe in that 50% drop. Just in case, guys, at a buy line, at daily time frame, we are now tasked to take profit. Next step, it's 1173. It's a exit line. So just in case, guys, be careful because time to in, you know, it's around buy line and fundamental value. Now we traded even on a daily time frame around take profit and exit line. Weekly time frame also. So guys, we need to accumulate on your time frame. You know, you can accumulate or in a daily like a swing trades or like investment on a weekly. I use a weekly time frame take profit indicator for investment zones. So now we also take profit line 1143 on the weekly, exit line around zero level like $12.95. So to talk about a global reversal move for UNI, we need to break this high. So this one. So this, if we want to talk about a break of structure and build a new structure to the new all-time high, or at least to 0.5 level by FIB. So 28, it's middle term targets. Sooner or later, we're going to hit that target. Would be good, honestly, to see one more drop to accumulate maybe UNI for the futures position with not big leverages. Trade on, guys, daily, sell, buy back, and no main signal to buy. Weekly also. Take a look, guys, other metrics, ADZ direction. Unfortunately, yes, this is distribution. Sounds weird, we're not bounced so high, but this is distribution. And distribution got a high distribution. The last time that high distribution been here in March 24, and after that we dump it. And with that time we dump it from 16 to 466. I don't think so. We will drop that low, but be careful because this is a distribution accumulation being here. Just in case, guys. Here is based on accumulation on a weekly. Yes, globally. The whales accumulate exactly inside 27 block. So the comfortable price for the whales being like March 25, 580 and here, and we finish it at 566. So yes, in this block being the biggest accumulation on direction indicator and on ADZ. So guys, now like you can see, of course, no signal to crazy sell-off, right? But be careful because it's not a bullish one. Daily, yes, we can form divergency. Usually we form that something like this one and can go a little bit lower. Daily time frame also, guys, take a look. The direction here was a sell, drop. So anyway, sooner we will bounce and we will see another sales. So guys, if you're not sure about some position, better just skip, wait, new re-entry, or just choose not tokens, because I don't think so. You will feel comfortable if you on the spot, for example, buy at $13 and we will drop to $7.20. Just in case, guys. To talk about a global reversal, we need to sweep the high of $20. So that's it. If we need to talk about a global main reversal move based on a weekly time frame, even the structure. Market mood, guys, of course, it's overhyped. I don't know why. I can say we pump it so much or some hype around the UNI now, around in social. But we pump it from depression, just 100%, and everybody totally in euphoria. A weekly time frame, just positive, and yes, soon we will see the euphoria again. The last time here, how we prepare the positive, pump, and drop. Take a look at the drop. I don't think so. Of course, we will see the same drop, the size of that drop. No, but it's possible to see some market come down a little bit. Also, if we use the feed from the top, like this is a potential top and this is a bottom, we can say the 0.5 level by fib test will be more than enough, like $12.009. With a weak candle, we can test even the 1376, and after that, we'll see the correction. So just in case, guys, now no crucial moments, to hop into Uni, because yes, the altcoin season began and everything good. The BTC dominance is still over than 60%, and with a new all-time high on a BTC, alts can bloody more. Next week, for example. Also, the bearish signals now. Here was a money inflow. Here's a 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row money outflow. So this is not a accumulation, guys. Unfortunately, daily time frame also money outflow. We bounced it, but without any money inflow. So my take is, I would be good. Come on, I would like to see something like this one. Grab that stop losses, trade, and go higher. So that's it. And all targets. Other one, this one I showed you. So guys, wrap this in the comment what you think about a Uni. Do you believe the Uni will hit the new all-time high or not? Zones I showed you, no rush, just better wait. And if you like to trade with my customer, what I showed on this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.